How to use Mailchimp for newsletter 2025 Mailchimp tutorial. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to create and send a professional newsletter using Mailchimp in 2025. Whether you're starting a blog, building a brand, or launching your first email list, this beginner's guide will walk you through every step. So first of all, we need to set up our account. So for that, we have to go to mailchimp.com and then we have to sign up and then we can here see the plans for standard $10, $175, and below we can see there's more plans like premium, standard, essentials, and free. We'll go for free for now. Yeah. Just click on sign up and you'll not buy any plans. Okay. You'll have to click on sign up under the free. So here you will give your business email, your username, your password, and select the box here that I don't want to receive emails, or you can also unselect this and click on sign up. So I will not sign up now because I already have an account registered. So I'll go back and press on login. I'll log in with continue with Google. So it will directly take me to the dashboard of the Mailchimp website. So let me tell you something. After signing up and giving all email name and business info, you have to verify your mail, and you definitely need to choose free plan first, and then you can select paid plan as your choice. And now you'll be inside your Mailchimp dashboard. So let's now build our audience. So for that, we have to import or add contacts. So now we have to go to audience and we can see here one email address that's ours. And to add contacts, you have to click on add contacts to import contacts, or you can also add a single contact. So let's say I will add a single contact like Linux user at the rate gmail.com, and I'll give the name Linux user. It's of course for demo purpose. And I'll say Linux zone is the company of that person, and you can give marketing permission like this person gave me permission to email them. Always check this, and if this person is already in my audience, update their profile, and then you click add contact. The contact with the email linux user at gmail.com was successfully added to your audience. So as you can see, I have successfully added my audience, and you can add bulk audience by clicking import contacts, and you can also connect your store like Shopify, Wix, WooCommerce, and many more. So we'll just keep that part for now. And you can also create some tags for each contact like newsletter, VIP, customer, or leads. And you can also add fields, first name, email, birthday. The birthday is optional, but you must give the first name and email. So tags help you segment your list later for targeted sends and better engagement. So now we will design our newsletter. So for that, we have to go to campaigns and create a new campaign. We have to select on create and we can see here regular email, automation, landing pages. So we'll go with regular email for now. We have clicked design email. So we have to give this a name first, like we can give this name limited edition bags, like limited edition bags. So we'll click on save. So now we have to choose the audience. So it's already chosen the audience, like all email subscribers. Is there anyone you would like to exclude? You can also exclude some persons from here. So you can also personalize the send to field. No, we will not do anything like that. You can edit and make it on your preferences. So now we will also add a subject line. So for that, we will type like backs, backs. You will not get anywhere else. And we can also write a preview text like premium bags or luxury bags. Okay, now we'll click on save, and you can also make the subject like top tips for your summer goals. You can also add preview like check out what's new in this month. And now you will use the drag and drop email builder. So for that, we have to click on the design email, and here we can, as you can see, from scratch, basic layout, fully designed template. So you can build it from scratch. It will be better if you have a better design knowledge. You can also start from basic layout. Also, you need to have better design knowledge. So I'll prefer fully designed templates, professionally designed templates already built. I have to just edit them as we like. So let's select one. So let's select this one, preview. Okay, we have to upgrade to continue with this. So selling product, we need to start free trial. Okay, as you can see, you can only select this pre-built templates if you subscribe on a pro plan. So I'll just get on with the basic one. where I can drag and drop and build. And as you can see, you can also code your own template and you can also paste in code. So we'll just go on basic layouts. So if we select this one, we can see there are many blocks like heading, paragraph, button, divider, spacer, image, logo, creative assistance, video, and many more. So if we click on specific one like this, view this email in your browser, we can edit it and write it like straight 40% off. Okay, straight 40% off. And then we can set up our logo and you can add your logo here and you can also edit like it's time to design your email. It's so let's just say it's time to purchase your dream bag. So you can also add a sub heading here. So I'll just keep it like that. And you can add an image of your product or the service you are providing. It will be better to look. And you can also add a button text here, like you can add buy now button. And here you can add all your social media, like you can add the link here of your social media like facebook.com slash let's say Ricky's shop. You can also share LinkedIn and also add another social link. So now you can add your logo here first and you can add copyright section. You can add another simple logo here and you can save and exit. To send campaigns, remove or replace the placeholder text and define the layout. Save and exit. Okay. So now you can click on preview to enter the preview mode. You can see the template you have just made and send test mail to yourself. So now what you can do, you can send a test email. You can also now schedule or launch your mail. For that, you have to click on send issue with the content section automatically at referral page. Okay. Okay. You can send test mail to yourself like Ricky L075 at the rate gmail.com. Send test. Your recipients should receive your test email. So let's check if it has come or not. Hmm, So check. taking time, but it will come. Mm, okay. You can also schedule your mail and best time to send mail on weekdays like Tuesday to Thursday, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Done. Your newsletter is on the way. So let me share you some pro tips for higher engagement. So keep it short, 3 to 5 section max. Use emojis in subject lines. Add a PS line to repeat your CTA. Send consistently, weekly or bi-weekly. Review reports under analytics to track opens, clicks, unsubscribes. And that's how you use Mailchimp to create and send newsletters in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want a vast knowledge on Mailchimp or any other platform. I'll do that for you. And in the next video.